Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Board and Monitoring Committee on Solid Waste has started a drive to train school teachers on how to collect and segregate the solid waste. In this 6-month-long awareness drive, students will also be trained on garbage collection. As of now, 129 schools across the state have been selected as a part of teachers' training program. Main focus of this drive is to train people at ground level to tackle solid waste management.
For which teachers will be trained from 28th to 30th of this month. This month. And then we want to give some permanent infrastructure to the schools like bins, and we are going to teach them, the school children, how to segregate and sort out the waste, and from there will be a agency which will be collecting this waste, and then finally it will be disposed of in a scientific manner.
In a recent drive, Pollution Control Board, in association with 6 other departments, has collected plastic and solid waste spread along the National Highway number 17 from Perne to Paulin. This drive will be extended to clean up all major roads in the state. Board is also starting a media campaign to spread the message and make people aware not to litter in public places. With video journalist Omkar Falari, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Colgate-Palmolive Employees Union in Kundai has withdrawn their protest against the management. Management has agreed to revoke the suspension and charge sheet issued against Pradeep Gaonkar, one of the employees. The union has accordingly agreed to resume work from Thursday.
संपन्न असलो आमचो प्रोटेस्ट असलो ते आमी वी हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर या आणि एकच सांगू शकता की ह्या सिटीन अशा पद्धती आमी आतापर्यंत आमी एक्चुअली काम करिना असले काम बंद असले पण आमी ड्युटी टेक्निकली वी वेर वर्किंग अशा पद्धतीन ह्या संदर्भान आमकां जायत्या कंपनीच्या युनियनांनी आमकां पाठिंबा दिल्लो बिकॉज इट वॉज बिकम अ बिग इशू 3 आतापर्यंत मोर्चे झाले भितरले 2 मोर्चे जे असले न्ही एक मडकय आणि एक इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन हे कुंडेचे इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आसा न्ही तेंच्यांनी उत्स्फूर्तपणे मोर्चा काढलेलो.
And now news from sports. Government grounds and gymnasium in Curchorem constituency are set to undergo a facelift after Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar inspected the facilities recently. The government is looking to develop the S.A.G ground at the earliest, says MLA Nilesh Cabral.
आमचो एक्झिस्टिंग ग्राउंड जो आसा व्हेरी डिप्लेटेड स्टेट आहा पोंचे उदक सिपेज जावन वयर येता म्हणजे ते फिलिंग करपाक जाय प्लस ते कंपाउंड वॉल मोडलेलो आसा तो रिपेर करपाक जाय प्लस बाकीचे जे एक्सटेंशन ऑफ जिमनेजियम सांगला तेका आमच्या आसोळल्या ग्राउंडाक तेका व्हरून दाखयला की तो डेव्हलप करपाक जाय खुबशीं कामां आज तेका व्हरून दाखयल्लीं आसा ग्राउंडाचे तेणें आतां एश्युरन्स दिला की तो हो ग्राउंड प्रायोरिटीचे घेवन जे वयर काडपाचे म्हणजे ग्राउंड लेवल सकयल जाल्या कारण तेका फिलिंग करून वयर काडपाचें आसा तशेंच ग्राउंडाचे जे स्टँड आसा वो दुरीक जे कसळ्ळा ते करपाचे जाल्यार मेजर जे डेव्हलपमेंटाचे जे आमचे 38,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स विथ स्विमींग पूल जॉगिंग ट्रॅक इंडोर स्टेडियम जो आमचे मेन टाउना भितर एक्वायर केल्लो जागो आसा तितून डेव्हलपमेंटान तेणें ऑलरेडी GSTC मार्फत फायल घातलेली आसा ती आतां CMA कडेन फॉलोअप करून CMA म्हाका प्रॉमिस केला विदीन 3-4 म्हयन्या भितर तेजो एस्टिमेट तयार जातलो म्हणून तशेंच जीम एक्सटेंशन करपाचें स्पेशली फॉर लेडीज म्हणून एक सेपरेट आता ऑलरेडी चालू केले आम्ही क्लासेस पण तेका सेपरेटूच एक इक्विपमेंट दिवन सेपरेट एक जिम करपाचे विचार तेणें प्रगट केल्ले आसा आनी तेणें मान्यता दिल्ली आसा.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Go or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.